Hello friends, welcome to Stock Business News. Friends, today we are going to see the latest updates and detailed analysis of Ramco Systems. Friends, Ramco Systems is a enterprise software enterprise company and which provides uh, ERP and MRO, that means resource planning and maintenance, repair and overhaul. That means friends, it uh, done it verticals on EPR for logistics, blockchain innovations and EPR on cloud base. And friends, Ramco have on three verticals like HR and global payrolls and EPR and MRO softwares with chatbot and HoloLens. Friends, it connects every knock of business needs like HR with global payrolls, time and attendance, contract work management, finance and accountings, asset managements, transport managements, and warehouse managements. Friends, it has a 1000 plus customers, 35 plus countries presence, and 24 global offices, and 1900 plus employees. Friends, and recently Ramco Global Payroll wins HR Vendor of the Year 2020 award in Singapore. In this COVID situations also, it won a global payroll award like HR Vendor award. And friends, going further, I given a detailed view on this and their contracts. Friends, first on this last 6 months, it get a huge orders from global vendors. From first, Ramco Systems got an order from Toll Logistics, friends, which is a one of the largest logistic company in the world, and its presence in Australia, New Zealand, and with operations in road, rail, sea, air, and warehouse managements, and its total chemical businesses transformed to Ramco Systems payroll. And by using these, we can generate revenue. And after this, Ramco Systems got million billion multi-billion dollar order from top three top logistic companies in the world for their payrolls. And friends, Ramco Systems offers us some aviation side also and maintenance, MRO, maintenance, repair, overhauls. And Ramco Systems taken by Erla Foods is a world's largest producer of organic dairy products and a global top 10 dairy company, and which is a top 10 dairy company. It implements Ramco Systems global payroll and HR softwares to their streamline. And friends, in August 28, HDFC Mutual Fund acquires 15 lakh 7,337 shares of Ramco Systems, and still it has 8.65% of holdings in that company. So looking HDFC picked means it's also very good. And going further, Alberia Maintenance chooses Ramco Aviation. It's a leading European provider of MRO services in IAG Group, and selects Ramco Aviation. Friends, in by choosing this aviation company on Ramco, why they choose means first thing, maximum mobility in access, documentation and assigning maintenance tasks online, among other. Second one, information and real-time updates of the work carried out on the aircrafts. Third one is the reliability and agility of having a single source of information for the Elberia MRO production management system. And fourth one is it will enable sustainable and efficient paperless solutions, as Ramco Aviation EPR eliminates the paperworks. So friends, if you think present aviation side having huge downtime, so they can go for maintenance and repairs of aircrafts and all those flying equipments. So in this time they are giving this means, and LBA not signed 1 year 2 year, it signed for 5 years, and it is also a very multi million dollar deal for Ramco systems. And Salus Aviation trusts Ramco's uh, payroll systems, and it is a New Zealand's largest aviation service provider. So with this we can get a good revenue generation. And further friends, Australia leading construction company Hanson Hackvens partners with Ramco to digitalize its payroll and HR, and it has just 600 employees, and it is taken Ramco as their trusted brand. And Canada's leading specialty aircraft operator Con Air marks a 1 year agreement of paperless operations with Ramco's Anywhere app. Friends, I already mentioned in my previous video about Anywhere app of Ramco. Ram Anywhere app has enabled Con Air mechanics to track maintenance progress, request for material, component replacement, report dispenses, and digitally sign off with their work cards. So Anywhere app also giving good boom for Ramco systems in aviation side. And coming to friends, Ramco Global Payroll got so many companies trust and belief. And friends, another thing is aviation of Ramco trusted by 24,000 users to maintain their 4,000 plus aircraft globally. So another thing is leading international property and investment group Lend Lease goes live on Ramco's global payrolls. Friends, on transforming their payroll operations for 5,000 plus employees across 31 entities in three countries like Australia, Singapore, and Malaysia, they pick Ramco's global payroll suite. And the next one is India's largest automobile parts manufacturer company, Jamna Auto Industries, trusted Ramco for their digital transformation. Friends, Ramco ERP suite and Ramco Global Payroll and HR Solutions. These three suites provides good maintains the people's attendance and the payrolls and leaves and pays assets etc. But the company will lessen their burden by giving these type of roles to Ramco systems. That's why so many companies preferring Ramco, and they taken less burden. And by using these track vehicles across the supply chain through geomaps and delivery portals. And Jamna is the world's third largest tampered leaf and parabolic spring manufacturers for the automobiles. And friends, next one is global leading helicopter OEM trusts Ramco's aviation suite, and it's one of the India's and the next one is one of the India's largest business conglomerate goes live on Ramco. Friends, this is also a biggest deal that Ramco recently got, but they didn't disclose the name of the company. But by looking the works they do, I think it's like Adani Group and Tata Group or Reliance, like that. Why means just see what they said. Implements Ramco's contract workforce management solutions and payrolls to manage their 55,000 plus contract workers across its steel, energy infrastructure, and port entities. By looking these things, we can say that it's as a multi-business company, and they took this company as their payroll systems. Friends, that's why I am telling that whenever dip comes, pick these Ramco systems and kept in your portfolio. I am insisting this from 250 rupees onwards. So friends, this is my overall view on Ramco systems, and this is a great opportunity to pick Ramco systems whenever it downs. Those who are willing to came entry new, I prefer them to pick Ramco systems, and previously what I done a video on analysis like Borosil glass. So friends, this is my view on this Ramco systems. Please pick whenever it dips. Thank you very much.